Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a hard reset of your Sony WI-XB400 earphones. Okay, so let me show you something. As you can see right now we are successfully connected with our phone. When I'm gonna click and hold this power button for a few seconds, I'm gonna turn off the earphones. When I'm gonna do the same, click and hold for a few seconds, we will be connected back. Take a look. As you can see, everything is fine. So, to perform the reset, you have to use the volume down button. So first of all, we have to switch off our earphones. Click and hold power button one more time. When the status is disconnected, you have to click and hold power button and the volume down button together until this indicator blinks few times quickly on blue. Let's do this right now. Click and hold these two buttons together. And right now we can release. Take a look, they are still turned off. Indicator is not activated. So right now, click and hold this power button and release. Right now you will hear in your earphones that the pairing mode is enabled. So right now, as you can see, this status is not back. We are not connected back. When I tap on the previously connected device, as you can see, I can only pair them one more time. So it means that we successfully restore all the default settings. And that's the simple way to perform the hard reset of your Sony WI-XB400 earphones. If you have any connection problem or any other issue with these earphones, try this method. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.